Hey there, welcome to this Git tutorial series. If you have ever accidentally deleted your code, broken something that was totally working 5 minutes ago, or named a file final version really final this time, then you are in the right place. Git is a powerful tool that helps you keep track of your code, go back in time when things go wrong, and work with others without stepping on each other's toe. In this series, we will start with the basics, like what Git actually is, and slowly build up to more advanced stuff like branching, merging, and dealing with the dreaded merge conflicts. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it all without assuming you are a Git wizard. All you need is a computer, a bit of curiosity, and maybe a cup of coffee. Ready? Let's jump in and finally understand what Git init really does. All right, so as you can see on the screen, I am showing what all topics that we are going to cover. There are fundamental topics and there are advanced topics. All right, we'll cover all these things in very crisp and easy to understand manner. And trust me, you won't need other than these in your most of your work. Okay, so let's start with the fundamentals.